You haven't started an ATM business yet because you think you suck at sales. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that will bring you in consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why would you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in smaller time frames? It's going to be different for everybody, okay? Some people want to get out of their 9-to-5 jobs. Some people want to supplement their retirement, or maybe this is their retirement, like they haven't planned for it yet, right? There are some people that want to figure out how to invest smaller amounts of money to make a decent return on their investment instead of like hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? And there's people that want to create generational wealth, like legacy wealth, right? And then there's people that want passive income and big chunks of cash for reasons I don't even know, because it's personal to them, right? You might check off multiple boxes. I don't know. But that's why people want passive income and big chunks of cash, okay? Now, if you would like me to help you start your own profitable ATM business that'll give you that consistent passive income and that big chunks of cash, and that'll help you reach your end goal faster, well, then I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, just click the link down there in the description, enter your email, watch the training video, and then book a call with my team, okay? Together, you'll figure out if we're fit to work together, okay? I'll admit, I'm not good for everybody, right? We got to gel, we got to have personalities that gel together. And if we don't, that won't work, right? Won't work. And my goal is for you to get to your goal faster, so we need to gel, right? Okay, now, before we go any further, do me a favor. Do me a solid. Come on. Give me a like. Like this video. Give me some thumbs ups. And then there's going to be a little ATM right here or right here. In one of these corners. You'd think by now I'd know which corner it is. But hey, I'm not that smart, okay? I'm smart enough to run a profitable ATM business and training business, but I'm not smart enough to figure out which freaking corner this ATM's in, okay? See, you don't have to be technologically savvy to run an ATM business. Actually, I'll even put a video up there to tell you about that, okay? All right, so one of these corners, click the ATM, okay, to subscribe to this channel. So every time I post a video, you're gonna know about it. And hit that bell notification, select always, okay? So you literally are, boom, the first to know about when I post a video, okay? All right, here we go. Now we're gonna rock and roll. We got all that out of the way. So you like the idea of an ATM business. You love the idea of passive income. You really, really like the idea of big chunks of cash in small time frames. But you're like, Carey, I can't start an ATM business. I suck at sales. So why would I start an ATM business? Okay. Well, I'm glad you asked. So a couple things really. Okay. Number one, the biggest thing I need you to get from this video right now going forward is you don't actually have to be great at sales to be successful in the ATM business. What did I just say? You don't have to be great at sales to be successful in the ATM business. You actually don't need to have ever, was that even proper English that I just said? You don't have to have ever had a sales job in your entire life to be successful in the ATM business. You don't have to have ever made a cold call on the job ever in your life to be successful in the ATM business. What? You're like, what is this girl spewing at me right now? She had lost her mind. No, I'm being honest. All right. You know, a lot of people think about like the used car salesman, like that slimy, sleazy used car salesman when it comes to sales. Like you gotta be dirty, right? No, and please hold on. Let me preface this by saying, yes, there are dirty, sleazy, slimy people in the ATM business, in the ATM training business, all about like online. Like there are sleazy people, slimy, used car salesman type people in the ATM business. 100% yes, there are. Yep. I think it's like that way in every business, right? But you don't need to be that way to be successful in the ATM business. As a matter of fact, if you're ever a student of mine, you better not be that way, right? Because I teach people how to ethically run their ATM business. You want to be ethical, right? You want to feel good about it. You want win-win situations. Like, you're not trying to dick somebody over, right? Maybe that was a bad way to say it. But you know what I'm saying? Like, you're trying to create passive income. You're trying to create big chunks of cash. You're trying to create a successful business, and you're trying to help another business owner or an event organizer, right? Win-wins, a win-win-win, right? Because you're helping a customer too, all right? So there's no sleazy, slimy where I'm concerned in the ATM business, right? And I don't think any of my students are sleazy or slimy. Well, I might have a past student that is, but I'm not going to get into that. But if he's watching, you know I'm talking about you. But anyways, okay, sorry. He might be watching. He likes to copy my shit. But anyways, okay, I'm sorry. I'm back. Okay. So, yeah, you don't need to be slimy. You don't need to be sleazy. Okay, you don't forget about the used car salesman idea of sales. Okay, forget about it. Okay, I just want you to know, in order to be successful in the ATM business, this is all you have to do. Talk. You just have to have a conversation with somebody. Okay? I don't need you to be slick. I don't need you to be like fancy. I don't need you to, memorize a billion sales strategies. Nope. I just need you to have a conversation with somebody. If you can have a conversation with somebody, you can be successful in the ATM business. Yep. And here's something, I'm going to take it a little bit further. You don't even have to be the person to have the conversation to be successful in the ATM business. What? Is your mind blown yet? So, in order to be successful in the ATM business, you don't ever have to have sales experience. All you need to do is be able to have a conversation. And I know you can have a conversation. I'm sure you talk to your wife. I'm sure you talk to your kids. I'm sure you talk to your buddies. I'm sure you talk to your coworkers. I'm sure you talk to everybody. I'm sure you tell the bartender what you want to drink during happy hour. Right? I know you know how to have a conversation. That's all you got to do. Just have a conversation. Okay? Obviously, if you ever became a student of mine, I'm going to teach you how to have the conversation. And here's the thing. This is really, really important. This is really important. I'm going to teach you the crux of what you need to say. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to say. I'll tell you exactly what you need to say. But I'm going to tell you how a girl from Philly says it. You need to make it sound like you. So if I give you A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you're like, okay, I know it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But you need to say it in a way that you feel comfortable. You need to make it yours, right? Maybe that's saying D, A, G, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. But you make it yours. Make it feel comfortable. Make it be natural, right? Because you're literally just having a conversation. That's it. You're having a conversation showing somebody how you can help them. That's it. And the best part is 99.9999999% of the time, you're never like selling them, asking them for money. Like, you're not asking them for a dime. You're giving them something for free. And on top of that, you might even be paying them. What? Right? So don't fear the idea of, oh my God, I'm not good at sales. I can't do this. Number one, you don't got to be good at sales. You just need to be able to have a conversation with somebody. And number two, you don't even have to be the person having that conversation if you don't want to, right? I'll show you how to have other people do it for you, have that conversation for you. But number three, this is what I want you to know. This is really important. There's a lot of people out there that think they're not good at sales. They're not good at, I'll say, persuasion or what have you, right? And we're not. When I say persuasion, I don't mean we're making somebody do something that they don't want to do. Like that's not what I'm talking about. Okay, that's unethical. That's not what we're talking about. Okay, we're only above board, legal, legit, ethical business people, right? You and I. That's what we're doing. Okay, but when I talk about sales and persuasion, I promise you, you've already done it your entire life. You've been doing it your entire life. You just don't consider it sales, right? Like in the business sense, right? Because sales is scary. But trying to persuade your kids to go to bed early, well, that's probably scary too. But you know what I'm saying, right? That's still sales. You're still persuading them, right? When you met your wife for the first time, right? And you wanted her to go on a date with you, you had to sell yourself. You had to persuade her to go on a date with you, right? That's sales. It's not scary sales and used car salesman sales, but you're still using that same idea, those same motions, those same mental exercises, right? Again, I'm not saying that you're mentally screwing somebody, no mental gymnastics here, but you're using those same muscles, right? You're persuading somebody, right? When you wanted to have sex with your spouse for the first time, actually, I shouldn't say spouse, but with your, I guess I could, some of you, I guess, wait till marriage. And that's okay. But it's your choice. But I imagine most people don't, right? So when you want to have sex with this person for the first time, you had to have some sales skills, right? You had some persuasion skills. And again, I'm not talking Bill Cosby kind of persuasion shit, right? That's illegal. Okay, that's slimy, that's sleazy. I'm talking about, being able to woo her, right? And sell her into wanting to take that next step with you, right? You were able to do that, okay? You were able to woo her and sell her into saying, I do. You get what I'm saying? You've been doing sales your entire freaking life. You started when you were a little kid and you started crying, wanting stuff that your parents said you couldn't have, right? You've been constantly in sell mode your entire life. Selling persuasion. Trying to motivate your parents to give you what you want. Trying to motivate your little brother or persuade your little brother or sister to give you what you want. You know what I'm saying? You've been doing it your whole life. Embrace it. Embrace it. Okay? It's just not the scary thing that you think it is. Okay? It doesn't have to be scary. And it's not scary, right? It's not scary, the way we're talking about it when it comes to an ATM business. I hope this is making sense. I hope a couple little light bulbs have been going off for you. Okay? One, you don't have to be a sleazy salesperson to be in the ATM business. All you need to do is be able to have a good conversation with somebody, right? Two, you don't even have to be the one to have the conversation with somebody. You can have somebody else do it for you. And three, the reality is you've been trying to persuade people and you've been selling people your entire life. You just didn't consider it that. You just didn't call it that. Okay? Hope this helps, right? So don't let the, oh my God, Carey, I'm not good at sales, stop you from starting an ATM business. Start an ATM business. Okay? You're missing out on consistent passive income every single month and big chunks of cash in small time frames whenever you want it. Okay? Stop denying yourself that. Right? I just cut out that I'm not good at sales excuse for you. Okay? So if you'd like me to help you start your own ATM business, just click that link in the description, enter your email, book a call with my team, and then together you guys will figure out if we're a fit to work together. Okay? All right, listen, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification, select always